It took 4 weeks to do this. Do and unpick, do and then unpick. This one is a bit hard for me, but I did it. Add in one is slip stitch. I found an app that I can draw. It is very easy. It's very good for me. This is the pattern we are going to do, and we try to follow this. Okay, I'm going to do 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do the 6 chain. 1, 2. That one is not. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do the slip stitch. Don't put it on the knot. Yes, and hook, pull out all. Yes, that's the loop already. Now we're going to do half double crochet, and look at it, and it's all 16 there, plus the 2 chain too. Now we're going to do 2 chain first. 1, 2, and we're going to do half double crochet. You don't have to poke in any hole, or only the middle part. You can hold the end part of the thread and slip all of it. Do again, third, the middle, hold the end part of the thread and slip. And it's going to be 16 plus the 2 chain too. Notice that my end thread is going to hide away in, so you don't have to cut it. It goes around. Again, the 2 chain counted and this double half crochet should be 16. And now we're going to join it to the slip chain. The end there. Hook it and pull the whole thing out. We made one circle already. We are going to do a single chain and a single crochet, and then 3 chain, and leave one of that, and the next one is single crochet again, and then 3 chain all through round again. Okay, 1 chain, single crochet, three chain, and let go one and go to the next one, single crochet, 3 chain, let go one, go to the next one, single crochet, 3 chain, let go one, go to the next one, single crochet, 3 chain. Okay, this just do 1 stitch, and we're going to join the other 3 there. Put it in that hole, hook, single crochet, and 1 chain, and we go back to the green one, leave the first one, go to the second one, yes, a single crochet, and 1 chain, white again, hook, single crochet, 1 chain, second, single crochet, 1 chain, single crochet, 1 chain, second, single crochet, 1 chain, single crochet, 1 chain, single crochet, and there's no more joining, just now 3 chains and do the slip stitch. There, we are done, and we do a knot, tighten it up and cut it off. Just pull it off and tighten it. Now we're going to hide the thread, so we're going to stitch into it. Put it at the back, and do you see all that? So you just have to pull it in from there, put it in, and hide all there, so it's hidden. If the leftover, cut it off the other end. Done. And this is the small one. I use a thin thread. I have to try to put a bead in there, and it might look like nice on a earring or something like that. Doing this with the white one, single stitch. This again, I'm showing this. This one is not going to join anywhere yet. Three chain, single crochet, 3 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 chain, and a slip stitch. Yeah. And a knot. There.
Disparaging the intelligence of service members and asking that wounded veterans be kept out of military parades, citing 4 unnamed people with first-hand knowledge of the president's comments. Jeffrey writes that when Trump canceled a visit to an American cemetery near Paris in 2018, he blamed rain for the last-minute decision, saying that the helicopter couldn't fly and that the Secret Service wouldn't drive him there.